What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another round of connections. I saw a lot of people got annihilated on yesterday's connections. I feel pretty damn good that I got a 4. So let's go ahead and see what's in store for today's connections for Tuesday, September 26, 2023. Let's hit the play button. Let's remove the directions. And we're good. Garter, Digest, Thong, Mamba, Brief, Moon, Boa, Teddy, Monty, Slip, Rundown, House, Python, Abstract, Circle, Viper. Very interesting. Okay, I'm not going to say, oh, this looks, doable and all that, because that just jinxes it. All right. Now I see some ladies wear garter, thong, teddy, and slip. Brief is sort of close, but those are really briefs. So I think I like this for women's, you could call these undergarments. Yeah. Let's be careful, right? It would be really cool to get a 5 today because I don't think these category names look impossible. So these will be women's undergarments. Then you've got Mamba, Boa, Python, and Viper. They're trying to be cute with Monty Python. So those would be sneaks. Hopefully. And then you've got full Monty, full circle, full house, and full moon. Oh, I think we're all set, guys. And then let's see. Then you've got digest, house, abstract, and brief. The house sort of messes that up. Let's do full first. Let's just get those out of the way because I'm super confident about that. I mean, I think the women's undergarments should be fine, but let's just be careful. Let's go with something that is like a guarantee. So full house, the full Monty, a full moon, and a full circle. Okay? Yeah, perfect. Okay. Purple too. Next, snakes. I mean, we could do that. I couldn't imagine how they could be grouped otherwise. Yeah, it's got to be snakes, right? And there's no other snakes left over. So snakes. Perfect. Yeah, that was the easy one. And let's hit everything other than the women's undergarments and go digest, abstract, rundown. Oh, I forgot about rundown. I didn't see that there. Okay. And brief. This is not the purple, so it shouldn't be impossible. I mean, come on. Let's just do these. So at least we're just staring at the final one. I mean, this has got to be women's undergarments. Lingerie. Why the hell did I? That's ridiculous. Look, guys. I think you're going to let me slide on that one. Okay. I just don't know why I didn't call it lingerie. That I have to give them credit. I mean, that's the perfect word to describe it. But that all fits. I mean, right? It all fits. Okay. Brief, rundown, abstract, digest. This is blue, so it is going to be relatively difficult. Reader's Digest. Oh boy. Brief, rundown, abstract. Oh, this is hard. There's abstract art. There's abstract math. Um, 'Cause- 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 'C Oh boy, we got a tough one. I mean, I think people are going to do really well today. Um, I don't think that full was too hard. That was pretty obvious because, especially with the full Monty. But darn it, this is tough. Um, I wonder if there's some. I mean, there's obviously are not last names. That's ridiculous. I wonder if there's some wordplay involved. I just don't see that. Digest, digest, abstract, rundown, brief. There's no silent letters. They're so different from one another. I don't see anything funny going on. Oh, brief. Oh, hang on. I'd like to get shoot. I think I've sort of got the I sort of actually finally see how they're coming together, but I just don't have the right I just can't think of the right terminology. But hear me out, guys. Give me the brief. Like if you want a brief, it's a summary. A rundown is a summary. An abstract I know perfectly well because I wrote a couple papers when I was at MIT, and you always start your paper with an abstract, which is basically a summary of your research, and then a digest. So I think we could. Would you guys let me slide if we said some? I think these are forms of summaries. A digest, I think, also would count. Kapow! Nice. At first, they look completely unrelated because I'm thinking about like digesting your food. I'm thinking about like a rundown house. I'm thinking about like abstract art, abstract math in the adjective, but it's a noun. And then brief. Wow, that was awesome. Wow, guys. So, all right, here's the deal. Okay, I'm going to be honest. I should just leave right now. but let me crush that blue one, right? I mean, please let me slide on the women's undergarments. I think that's reasonable. I mean, we all know that those are things that traditionally women wear. Um, Now, I understand you could make the argument that they're not undergarments when the woman is just simply wearing them. Like models will wear just lingerie, so there wouldn't be anything under that as well. But let's be honest. I mean, the thong, an undergarment, right? You could certainly wear these beneath your regular clothes. The garter could be worn beneath. Certainly, the slip that would be worn. You would put that on, and then your skirt. And I mean, the only one that might be not really technically the undergarment might be the teddy, but there's no reason why you couldn't. Okay, so I'm basically calling it some form of women's clothes. I just didn't quite make that connection about it all being lingerie. So please let me slide on that, guys. I would feel super happy with a 5. I think it's pretty darn close. I think that would definitely be a situation where Doug would say, I'll take it. Okay. So, but wow, that summary, man. Wow, that was really good. So once again, I have no problem. Rather than for me just to declare, oh, I got the 5, I'll leave it to you guys in the comments. Let me know, did Art get lingerie by saying women's undergarments? Okay. It's either a yes or a no. We'll tally them up. We'll do a vote. And if we get more yeses than nos, then I will collect my 5th point. Thank you very much. And otherwise, we'll just have to settle for a 4. I'll let you guys be the jury. And I hope you guys did well today. And of course, I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow for yet another round of Connections.